your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. That was a ringer dinger, but everyone is racing. You got fast pilots right here, and across the line we go. We got our first one down. Started with 8, down to 7. That's mid-air happening before the flag, but everyone just bouncing, rolling, but still alive for everybody. Remember, the collegiate championship was won by Envy Astro. He went into the losers bracket at about this point, and now you get an extra pack and a chance to come in hot to that Final Four finale if you're done. And it sounds like Envy Astro, well, he's down, turtle mode. Envy Astro, let's see if we can get him back up again. Well, it sounds like it's the collegiate finals. We're out of college, and now we're going to have to do that again here in Sebring for the money. Looks like we are officially down to 5, and we're still trying to turtle mode out of it on the rest of our field. Captain Vanover was your leader after 1. Jerrod, I think, is turtle moding. As we know, he's up. I think someone got back up. I got lost cross-eyed, but we lost Envy Astro and Meow FPV, so that means we're down to 6, and Captain Vanover, Jerrod, Dane, and Nurk, 1, 2, 3, 4, onto that final lap. Now you got Night Fury in the number 5 spot, so they're down to 5, and Night Fury trying to pass 1 quad to make it into the final 8. If not, we race momentarily in our consolation bracket. Captain Vanover is going to our finale. Up to Soaring Sky we go with them. 3 laps, 121 across our dinger. Falcon X is going to cross over back in traffic, so it's Jerrod and Nurk in the number 2, 3 spot. 4th is going to go to Dane. Night Fury is going to get 5th, and Falcon X is going to get 6th. 7th to Envy Astro and Meow FPV. Now we are going to do a quick DVR review as the finish was so close between Dane and Night Fury. We're looking at a difference here of about 1/4 of a second between 5 and 8, but I'm going to call it official right there that there is no way that there's going to be any changes there. So moving into our final 4, Captain Vanover, Jerrod, Nurk, and Dane moving on up.
Nice that was super close.
All right, go get another battery. You gotta do it again.
Yeah. Yeah, Dane got it.
Yeah. Shaun had it.